Hello and welcome back to my channel. So the baked feta and tomato pasta has been trending all over TikTok. I woke up craving it this morning and I knew I had to try it. The trending pasta but with chicken. Start by placing some cherry tomatoes in a baking tray. Make a space in the center and add your feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil, then some salt, black pepper, crushed or minced garlic. I also added some garlic powder. You can never have too much garlic. Onion powder and mixed in really well. Then I also added some chili flakes and baked in the oven until it was slightly golden. I added some basil leaves and crushed down the tomatoes and the feta, mixed them in really well. Moving on to the chicken, spice up your chicken. The measurements for this will be on my Instagram. Cook your chicken like so and set aside. Then prepare your pasta as per package instructions. Once the pasta is cooked, add to your tomato and cheese mixture. Place in a plate and top with the chicken piece. It was so good. I'll probably add a bit more chili next time because I absolutely love my spicy food, but otherwise it was delish. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos.